Hello everyone, welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products. This unit is the chest of freezers, flip tops, and let's take a look at the overall size first. Entirely about like a 29 and 7 and 8 inches, and the 22 inches in the depth, include back hinge. And overall tall about like a 33 inches. So as you can see, the unit having the controllers right here, the level adjusters, 1 to 7s, and all the notice lights right here, powers, runnings, and alarm. And also they have a water jar inside the front. And let's take a look at the back side. Okay, as you can see, we have the unit stickers right here, the car sheets on top, and the ETL sanitation approval right here. And also they're having the standard US 110 plugs right here. Let's take a look at the inner side overall dimensions. Entire length about like a 23.5 inches. About like a 26 inches in depth. And this side about like 14.5 inches. I see the basket. It's almost like 8 inches. And this side about like a 7.5. And 14 inches. Also, the units come with a gasket to seal it. That's all information for the inner side. And thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.